This is a Sunday routine to help plan your week. It includes reflecting on the past week, reviewing your calendar and schedule, setting goals, planning meals, organizing your to-do list, setting aside time for self-care, planning social or leisure activities, and reviewing your budget. By following this routine, you can start your week feeling organized and prepared. First, reflect on the past week. Take some time to reflect on the past week. Think about what went well and what could have been done differently. Consider keeping a journal to jot down your thoughts and observations. Second, review your calendar and schedule. Look over your calendar and schedule for the week ahead. Make any necessary adjustments and add any new appointments or commitments. Thirdly, set your goals for the week. Think about what you want to accomplish this week and write down your goals. Break your goals down into smaller, actionable tasks to make them more manageable. Plan your meals. Plan out your meals for the week and make a grocery list of any ingredients you need to purchase. Consider preparing some meals in advance to save time during the week. Set aside time for self-care. Don't forget to schedule some time for yourself during the week. Whether it's exercise, meditation, or simply relaxing with a book, make sure to set aside time to recharge and take care of yourself. Follow up organizing your to-do list. Go through your to-do list and prioritize your tasks for the week. Consider breaking large tasks down into smaller, more manageable steps. Plan any social or leisure activities. Schedule any social or leisure activities for the week ahead. This could include plans with friends or family, hobbies, or simply some downtime to relax and unwind. Lastly, review your budget. Take a few minutes to review your budget for the week. Make any necessary adjustments and make sure you have a plan in place to stay on track. Then proceed to research the things you are interested in yield value to your personal growth. Find motivation and mentors to guide you in the process. Consider replaying this video as long as necessary.